When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop, baby, so cold.
Havana, ooh, nah, nah. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, nah, nah. He took me back to East Atlanta.
Esperancita, pass me the phone. I'm going to make a call. No, no, the gold one, no. Pass me the diamond phone. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Thanks. Hello, Kim.
Hi, Kylie. How are you?
I'm pretty good. And you?
Never been better. Thanks.
Travis bought me a helicopter. Do you want to take a ride with me?
Oh, sure. I would love to, but let's go around here close like Dubai.
Okay, at 10 o'clock I will go to your house to my new helicopter.
Yes, I also want to buy a bag for my dress. Something cheap just like the exclusive Chanel bag.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi, Kendall. How are you?
Well, Kylie,
I want to invite you for a ride in my new helicopter.
you helicopter from France.
No, I already have a new helicopter.
I would like to go, but I cannot. I have a photo shop in Spain.
Okay, bye.
Another normal day.
Yeah. Hey, we landed on Chanel Terrace to buy your bag.
Okay, I am ready.
Yay.
¿Pero qué ha pasado?